Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by removing the mechanical key from the Toyota Prius Plus fob using the small release catch on the side. This prevents accidental activation. Remove the mechanical key first. Work on a soft towel to avoid scratches. Locate the seam and choose a 3/5 mm flathead screwdriver or a coin to gently pry the two halves apart at the slot. Keep steady pressure and wiggle slowly to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Keep small parts contained so nothing is lost. Once the fob is open, note the battery model printed on the cell and the orientation marking in the holder. Most Prius Plus keys use a CR2032. Insert a CR2032 with the plus side up. Avoid touching the battery surfaces with bare fingers to prevent corrosion and reduce contact resistance. Use plastic tweezers or a clean cloth. Press the battery firmly until it snaps into place and ensure the retaining clip is engaged. Dispose of the old C. Align the two fob halves and press them together until all plastic tabs click securely. Make sure the mechanical key slot lines up. Snap the halves back together until tabs click. Test the key fob by pressing lock, unlock, trunk, and remote start if your model supports it. Stand within 2 meters of the vehicle for initial testing. If buttons fail, reopen and check battery orientation and contact cleanliness. Reprogramming is not required for a correct CR2032 replacement unless the fob was previously erased.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.